Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel everyone. Here is another video of pharmacology in which we will discuss about different sources of drugs. So without any further delay, let's start our intro and start this topic.
Hello, namaste, hola, privyet viewers. Welcome to my channel MedGossip SD. I am Subhas. The main objective of this channel is we bring basic medical and clinical science topics, explanation with the related diagrams much as possible, and frequently asked exam oriented questions of that related topic. So make sure you hit that red button of subscription and the bell icon so that you could never miss the updates.
So, sources of drugs. Drugs can be classified into various sources. So let's classify these drugs and discuss each drugs and its subclass one by one. We have classified drugs into 6 main sources. Let's see these sources. So, first source is plant source. Next we have animal source, mineral source. Next source can be said as synthetic or semi-synthetic source. Next source is microbiological source. And the last source we will mention in this topic is recombinant DNA technology. So, now mention each example of these drugs one by one. Number 1, we have plant sources. We can extract drugs from plant sources from various types such as leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, roots or bark. So let's see some example of these drugs from which it extracts. So from leaves we can extract digitoxin and digoxin which are cardiac glycoside. Tobacco leaves gives nicotine. We all know that nicotine is mainly found in cigarettes. Atropa belladonna gives atropine. Atropine is the drug which is important in treatment of pesticide poisoning. From flowers, we can get poppy of Papaver somniferum gives morphine. Morphine is opioid, we know. Vinca rosea gives vincristine and vinblastine. If you don't know what is vincristine, then this is the cancer medication which is commonly used in treatment of leukemia, rhabdomyosarcoma, neuroblastoma, etc. And vinblastine is used in Hodgkin's lymphoma. So next, from fruits we can get Senapod gives anthracene, which is purgative. Purgative are the drugs used in constipation. From seeds we can get seed of Nux vomica gives strychnine. Strychnine as central nervous system stimulant. Castor oil seeds give castor oil. So now discuss about roots. Ipecacuanha root give emmetine. Emmetine is both used as antiprotozoal drugs and also commonly used to induce vomiting. We can extract reserpine 2, which is used for hypersensitivity treatment. Now, from bark we can extract cinchona bark gives quinine and quinidine. So, we have finished the plant sources. Now, let's see the animal sources with some examples. Pancreas is a source of insulin. Urine of pregnant women gives HCG, which stands for human chorionic gonadotrophin. Sheep thyroid is a source of thyroxine. Thyroxine is a thyroid hormone. Cod liver is used as a source of vitamin A and vitamin D. We all know that vitamin A helps in vision and vitamin D helps in calcium metabolism. Now, let's talk about mineral sources. So, drugs from mineral sources includes both metallic and non-metallic substance like kaolin, borax or diatomite, cases gourds. Their salts are used in pharmacotherapy against different disease like iron metabolism, which is iron deficiency anemia, etc. Now let's talk about synthetic or semi-synthetic sources. In synthetic sources we have emmetin bismuth iodide. Emmetin bismuth iodide is used to treatment amoebic dysentery. They includes apomorphine, homatropine, ampicillin or methyl testosterone. So now let's discuss about the microbiological sources. Penicillium notatum gives penicillin. Actinobacteria gives streptomycin. Aminoglycosides such as gentamicin or tobramycin are obtained from micromonospores and streptomyces respectively. So now our last classification in this topic, which is recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology involves cleavage of DNA by enzyme restriction endonucleases. The desired gene is coupled to rapidly replicated DNA, which can be either viral or bacterial or plasmid gene. So, let's see the question which can be asked from this topic. The commonly asked question is, elaborate the various sources of drugs with its examples. Thank you for making me a part of your day. Like the video if you did, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Signing off until next time. Adios.